Journalist Kemi Olunloyo don cry come out o. E don beg the public, anybody wey be say God touch im mind, say abeg make dem come help am because the one wey she dey now, the thing don pass am. Bobrisky set to relocate from obodo naija to obodo oyibo. Wetin come cause am, my correct pipo? I go give una the gist later. Another Nollywood actor wey dem dey call Victor aka Nkubi don talk say he wan settle down. He just share the message for Instagram wey never too tey. Many people come dey congratulate am. Hello my wonderful kings and queens, you're welcome back again to my channel. Yes, so I'm back again with another video. My name na Lady G. In case today na your first time when you dey come across this my channel and you never subscribe, abeg make you no forget to subscribe and just click that notification bell so that anytime when I throw ogbonge gist like this, you no go fit dey miss am. Yes, my correct people, una don already know say this particular video say na 3 in 1. First, we will first take am step by step. We'll take the one of Kemi Olunloyo on first. She come out recently. Una know say since when we enter this 2021, we no come to dey be like say we dey hear from her again. The reason be say she no well o. The thing break am down, no be small. Now recently now she come drop this post. She come talk say she wan share am, make people help am still share am too, so that people go know wetin dey do am. Say she need help, say she no well. The thing when she write now be this one, my correct people, make I read am for now. She come talk say, my dear loyal fans, don't worry about me. I will continue to tweet my mind from my sick bed at least 3 times daily. Maybe not Instagram and Facebook. My foot and legs are swollen. I am not diabetic. Tomorrow's Doppler will rule out deep vein thrombosis. Keep praying for me. I am bedridden and must elevate those legs up for blood flow. A little pain, can't walk around. My correct people, now this one be the message when Madam Kemi drop. As I can't see this something, I can't really feel bad for am. But not be that one be the main thing. Now the thing when people come they talk for the comment section. Now that one, the thing come they baffle me some of the thing, my people. I go read some for now, the one when I go feel read. One person can say, thank God it didn't affect your mouth. Another one come talk say, but I still see this mama yesterday with her son for Domino's Aja. Somebody saying CMO. You don't know where their sickness for come when Madam Kemi they talk. Meanwhile, another person can say, you go the height. No tweet anything for now. Sha, as leg they rest, make your mouth rest too. It go help. That one now waiting another person write. Meanwhile, another person can still write like this, can talk say, how I wish it affected your fingers and mouth instead. It be like say this one come too much now. My people now, wow, not be small thing though. Another person can still write like this, he can talk say, you go there, abeg, no tweet anything for now. Make your mouth rest small. Davido fans don't swear for you. Davido don't enter wahala oh. Not be small. So this one are the last one when I go read though. Now the one where I fit bring come out. Now I bring come out for now. So this last person come talk say, we are not ready to donate any money. He can't draw bag of money for with emoji put for there. He can't say, now your mouth, now they buy you so. You haven't seen films at all. Hey, he talk say, now Madam Kemi mouth, now he put on for the one when he did so. Why some people they accuse and say now because he dey throw mouth go give OBO, which is Davido every time, say now the thing now he can return back to am. So my people, I don't know whether I agree with that one because the way I see this matter, so I not sure say this matter concern Davido at all. May they not put life for head. Waiting, you don't know one, you don't know two. Madam Kemi, everybody knows not be small picking. Whether they sick, they sick, we don't know whether not true. Some people say they see am for Aja, some say they see am for Magodo area. I not know which one will believe again. But anyone, even though say if it be say she dey sick, may God grant her speed recovery. Now that one be the prayer one love for all of us. They pray for her. And apart from that one, I'm not sure say Davido hand there for this thing at all because Davido self, I'm not sure say get that kind mind self. Madam Kemi they drag everybody, not be only Davido they drag. Now just because say we know Davido well, when I make kind be say na Davido now we dey hear pass. And now because I believe say now she and the Davido family they know each other and I make am with the hear am like that. So be like say people they take the thing to another level. So Davido I don't believe say now he get her for this thing. Kemi don't advance. We know say he don't grow now 60 years or 60 years now they go so or maybe he don't reach 60 years if I'm not mistaken. Which day she come and talk and she say she don't they reach that age of 60. So when person don't they grow, definitely many things go change for a body. So Davido not get hand for this one. Now so me I think So my correct people, how you self think and make yourself still leave your own for the comment section. So the other one won't jump to now about Bobrisky. Many people here say Bobrisky say he won't relocate for Obodo Naija to Obodo Ibo. Hey, how that one want it possible? The cocoa of the matter, the main reason why he make am say he won't relocate be say, not be say Bobrisky don't make up his mind say he won't really come out for Obodo Naija, because if Bobrisky really talk say he won't come out, many people they won't go follow and come out. Yes, so fans when Bobrisky gets, not be small, oh, hey. So now this particular man, I can't come out that this minister, when he, when I know this man now, when he can't begin Bobrisky last 2 years, when Bobrisky won't do birthday, when the man can't scatter everything, he can't turn the thing upside down. Small time we not can't hear anything about him and Bobrisky again. This same man, whether na Minister of Art and Culture, he don't resurface again. Oh, he don't talk say, he don't dey hear all the kind things when Bobrisky they do for Obodo Naija now. Say this in market, the thing don't they expand well. And it don't they change our youth to different things. Say that Obodo Naija no go contain am. Say that fight, when the fight remain that time, say he still continue am. Say the thing never ends. He can't tell Bobrisky say, if you know say one they practice all this lifestyle, he not tell am make he not practice, but he go relocate come on for Nigeria, because Nigeria will not they support all those things when in they do. In talk say the reason why he make him, he can't get Bobrisky that time when he say Bobrisky do that birthday 2019. Many people when don't know the thing when they for under, they can't talk say now jealousy now he make him do him. Say not be good person, not be him be, not be better person him be. Say he be like say he be get eye for Bobrisky, now he make him go scatter Bobrisky birthday. In talk say the main reason why he make him do him not be because of that one. Say Bobrisky be get other plans apart from that birthday. Say Bobrisky he don't gather some of other of a gang from different other country where they will come set the company of man and woman, that is company of men. When they do like women, they will come just set time, you can't be like big company, people self will come they register for them. Say now when he get that information, now he make an target Bobrisky. Say now that day when he do birthday, now that day say he go fit a target them, and in between say after the birthday they go do the whole meeting together. But unfortunately he can't scatter everything with that one. Bobrisky and the people when they come from different other parts of the country, they not come fit hold the show again. So my correct people, now that one be the G20 day grand now. This man don't tell Bobrisky now say, if you know say want continue to live this kind of a lifestyle, make it can shift go Obodo Ibo. Say that side, say then support him. But for this person that they call Obodo Naija, he is not supported. My correct people, now they are go end this gist to make una self just to drop una for inside. What una think? Now think say if Bobrisky really say he won't come on for the Obodo Naija, now think say many people go sign her. You yourself, you go like and make Bobrisky come on for Obodo Naija. I be make it stay there. They do the child lady when she they do for them. My correct people, drop your own comment at the comment section. I go leave this one for this side. Make I jump to the other one. He get this Nollywood actor when they call Victor. Many people don't know his name, sha, but if they see him for picture, most people know him. If they do TV presenter, they do many things. Apart from say, you see the art for Nollywood movie, they do many things together. He don't talk say, he won't tie the note now. Say right now, he won't settle down. As then talk, my correct people, they use a make parable say, they say, cow know the kind waka when they for this life. Now make kind suffer where should come life. So not be by size. Not be by size at all, my people. So he don't talk say, he don't hear say, make him for no lose them. Just as then they talk. Now he make he don't waka come on for inside the market. Say all the babes when they be they get eye for him. When they say one day, say this guy go be their own. Make them come on eye. Say he don't see he missy rip. Say anytime from now they go here say wedding bell don't they ring. Meanwhile now engagement now he don't do now. He don't drop the thing for Instagram and many people don't they congratulate him. So my correct people now here I go end this gist for today. I beg anything when you pick for inside or anything when you want add on this thing or what you think for inside for all these things when I don't talk, so I beg make you just drop your own comment below at the comment section so that we go rub mine together. Yes, my correct people, I go leave una for here today. I beg if you be say you never subscribe and are your first time when you come across this my channel and you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates so that anytime when I throw ogbonge gist like this, you know, go fit dey miss am. Yes, una when be my returning subscriber, my viewers, I raise hand for una, appreciate una so much. I dey thank una every day. So my correct people, I go leave una for here. I go see una very soon for my next video when you no go too take from now. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.